Who impose restrictions on Nagar Urban Cooperative Bank (RBI). Headquarters of Nagar Urban Cooperative Bank is in Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. CEO is V. Rokad. Slogan: One Family, One Bank. Loan Against Digital Gold scheme launched by answer is Shevalik Small Finance Bank and India Gold. Headquarters of SSFB is in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, and CEO is Suvir Kumar Gupta. Which company launches tokenization service that supports RuPay cards? PayPay. Who presented President's Standard to Indian Navy Squadron? Ramnath Kovind. Fitch ratings India's financial year 2022 GDP growth forecast to 8.4%. Fitch ratings president is Ian Linnell. Headquarters is in New York. International Anti-Corruption Day is the rank of India in Asia Power Index 2021. Remember the victims. Prevent genocide is observed 26 countries. 9 December. The top 5 countries are United States, China, Japan, India and Russia respectively. Name the Indian player who won silver at BWF World Tour Finals 2021. PV Sindhu. Kajuveli wetland declared as 16th bird sanctuary of Tamil Nadu by whom? Supriya Sahu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. Governor R.N. Ravi. And state dance is Bharatnatyam. SAARC South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation Charter Day is observed on 8 December. SAARC Chairmanship Nepal. SAARC Secretary General Esala Ruwan Virekun Sri Lanka. SAARC Secretariat Kathmandu, Nepal. Who is the new Chancellor of Germany? Olaf Scholz. Capital of Germany is Berlin. Currency is Euro. President is Frank Walter Steinmeier. Who launches E-Sawari India E-Bus Coalition? Niti Aayog. At what rank Nirmala Sitharaman ranked on Forbes 2021 World's 100 Most Powerful Women? 37. Who won the Young Geospatial Scientists Award? IIT Kanpur scientist Rupesh Goyal. Name the countries which join US boycott of Beijing Olympic. Canada, Australia and UK. Padma Shri awardee Nanda Kishore Purusthi passes away. Here are some vocabs. The first word is traffic, that means illegal trade. The second is trauma, that is emotional shock. Third is triumph, a great success. Fourth is valediction, speech in which one says goodbye. And fifth last is verbose, using more words than necessary.